What's up, YouTube? It's your boy ABD from the Angry Black Dude Show. Coming at you to let you know, this channel will be getting deleted. As of April 3rd, this channel will no longer be available. Follow me on my other channel. I'm going to be doing a little bit something different. I'm going to miss my subscribers. Yeah, I am. I know I am. Why you staring at me for? Like I said, yo, I'm gonna miss my subscribers, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Like, this channel is toxic to me. I don't want it no more. It's time for me to do things on my own. As y'all already know, I ain't been on YouTube in about 3 months? I ain't did a video in 3 months. I'm keeping my other channel though, but this one got to go. I'm getting rid of this one. I'm doing a little bit something different. I'm doing the traveling channel. I'm gonna be taking the Amtrak, shit like that. Or stuff like that, I should say. I don't even care if I curse or not. Fuck it, I don't care. This channel get deleted. Demonetize it. Oh well. I'm not getting paid for this channel anymore, so why keep the channel? But I'm back from the break. Where's the Marquise? Huh? What? Back from Nebraska. Thank you, American Airlines. Passed my midterms. Oh yeah, did I tell you? I passed my midterms. That's year. So I got my finals on next Tuesday. I got finals. And then the spring break. But yeah, passed my midterms. Doing good for myself. Don't need nobody to help me with my channel. And you know what I'm talking about. You know where I'm going with this, right? You know where I'm going with this. I don't need nobody help me with my channel. It's time for me to do.
Marcus, be quiet.
No, he good.
I'm talking about the game.
Leave my boy alone. He alright. But anyway,
I'm just talking about the game.
I know Marquise. You cool. You Gucci. You Gucci. You alright. Anyway, like I said, this channel get deleted. I'm back from Nebraska. I'm home for the break for the weekend. I'm going back Monday. So I'll be hitting you up from what? Are you fucking really? You just want to just throw your advertisement right in the... Subscribe to... What's your channel name, Marquise?
Gaming with Mar.
Huh?
Gaming with Mar.
Gaming with Mar? His friend Mar?
I don't know.
Who Mar? Me?
His name Marquise.
My name's Lamar. People call me Mar too.
Marquise.
What you mean, Sarah?
He'll say his whole name.
Gaming with Mar. Follow Marquise on YouTube, y'all. Gaming with Mar. Share, subscribe to him, like his videos, leave him some comments, give him a thumbs up. He does some good gaming. I ain't gonna lie. He about to kick my ass right now. And what we about to play? 2K what? Oh yeah, he about to kill me. I thought he said 17.
He got 17, 18, and 16. Which one you want to play?
Which one would I survive?
No.
Anyway, yeah. So he about to kill me in some football, I guess, basketball, something. I don't know what the hell he doing. And this YouTube channel is sponsored by Snuggles. Just keep bed bugs out your bed, make your clothes smell good, so you can't smell dead. This YouTube channel is brought to you by Snuggles. I want my damn money too, Snuggles. What's the name of this company on the back? It's called the Sun Product Company. Yeah, I need my money. I just gave y'all ass an advertisement. This shit smell pretty good. You don't like the way it smells? Huh? Yeah, alright. But anyway, I'm at Mom Dude's house for the weekend. I'm going, it's time for me to actually get off of this video because, like I said, this channel's going to close down April 3rd. I'm getting rid of it. Damn, hey, your mom was listening to my video. She just turned around and just looked. She just walked off. Like, she just drifted off into the sunset. Like she just vanished. But anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Remember, April 3rd, look for my new channel. I'm going to leave a description and a link below. That's going to take you to that channel once I get that channel up and running. It's your boy ABD from the Angry Black Dude Show. Twisms.